Tarte Flambée or German Flammkuchen, classic and vegetarian versions. Hello everyone, I'm Marcus from Culinarisch. The classic Tarte Flambée is made with bacon, but if you are vegetarian, don't go away. I have a super delicious summery veggie version as well. But what type of food it is? It's a thin crust with sour cream or crème fraîche baked in high heat in the oven. Somehow it resembles pizza but much thinner. And the good news is, it doesn't take much time to make it because unlike pizza you don't need to let the dough rise. For 3 crusts I use 250 grams all-purpose flour, 125 ml lukewarm water, 2 tablespoons olive oil and 1 tablespoon salt. For the topping you need 300 grams crème fraîche or sour cream, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, black pepper, 2 big onions and 200 grams bacon. For the veggie version I use 2 red onions, 1 hard pear, a handful of seedless grapes and a handful of walnut. And honey, 2 teaspoons are enough. Preheat the oven up to 250 Celsius and start making the dough. Add salt, the water and the oil to the flour and mix them. Don't worry about the dough to be too dried. The amount of water and the oil is enough to make a uniform dough. The reason to make the tarte flambée in the past was to use the flame and the heat of the oven which was warmed up for baking bread. To bake the bread, you have to wait until the flames turn the wood into embers. And that was the perfect time to make the Flammkuchen, because the dough was thin and would bake fast and form a beautiful crust around in contact with the heat of the flames. Both French and German names mean flame cake. It was originally farmers' food in the region of Alsace at the border. The borderline was changing several times and that's why the food spread between France and Germany. Work with the dough until it's silky. I have a video in which I show you how to use the body weight to knead the dough. You can get to the video in the card above. Let the dough aside until you cut the ingredients. This is enough time for it to rest. To cut the bacon, first remove the rind. And cut the bacon in stripes. Slice the white and red onion also in long stripes. But keep them separate. Cut the grapes in half. Slice the pear longwise. Now time to fry the bacon. You don't need to add any fat to the pan. When they get a little bit color, add the white onions to it and keep frying it until everything is slightly brown. To make the sauce, mix the nutmeg with the sour cream. That's it. The toppings are ready and we can make the crust. Cut the dough in 3 pieces and flatten them thin using a rolling pin. Don't be obsessed with forming a perfect round crust. Unlike pizza, there is no rule for it. For the classic version, spread a thin layer of sour cream sauce on the crust. and then add the bacon onion topping on it. And put it in a preheat oven for 5 to 7 minutes. And we are done. Now let's get to the vegetarian version. Spread the sauce again. Add a layer of red onion. Lay the pear slices on top and sprinkle the walnut and grapes on it. Then add 2 teaspoons honey over it. Put it in the oven for 5 to 7 minutes. Can you see how thin the crust is? The classic Flammkuchen is strong in taste and kinda heavy. And the veggie one is summery and light. This one is my wife's favorite. For garnishing you can put cheese on top. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.